Thank you for watching this video. For more information, knowledge and facts on Hahnemann's Organon of Medicine, make sure you subscribe to this channel and press bell icon to get instant update.
Aphorism 8. It is not conceivable, nor can it be proved, by any experience in the world, that, after removal of all the symptoms of the disease, and of the entire collection of the perceptible phenomena, there should or could remain anything else, besides health, or that the morbid alteration in the interior could remain uneradicated.
Here, I added a footnote to this aphorism to elaborate my point. When a patient has been cured of his disease by a true physician, in such a manner that no trace of the disease, no morbid symptom, remains, and all the signs of health have permanently returned, how can anyone, without offering an insult to common sense, affirm that in such an individual, the whole bodily disease still remains in the interior? And yet the chief of the old school, Hufeland, asserts this in the following words: homeopathy can remove symptoms, but the disease remains. This he maintains partly from mortification at the progress made by homeopathy to the benefit of mankind, partly because he still holds thoroughly material notions respecting disease, which he is still unable to regard as a state of being of the organism, wherein it is dynamically altered by the morbidly deranged vital force, as an altered state of health. But he views the disease as a something material, which, after the cure is completed, may still remain lurking in some corner in the interior of the body, in order, some day during the most vigorous health, to burst forth at its pleasure with its material presence. So dreadful is still the blindness of the old pathology. No wonder that it could only produce a system of therapeutics, which is solely occupied with scouring out the poor patient.
Thank you for watching this video at Organon of Medicine. I am sure you must have subscribed this channel. You can watch more related videos here now, especially created for you.